Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the latest Ipsy. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay, and inside this lovely box is the theme for Ipsy October. And it says, "Work your magic." Love it. And it gives me a card as to what may be in here. Haven't seen one of those in a while, so I'll just pull out each one and we'll show it on camera per usual. The first thing in here is from Rare Beauty, and this is called their Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Encourage. Excited about that. This is the shade. It looks like a mauve-y type of color. And here we try to pull it out. There we go. And we've pulled it out here. The doe foot applicator, that one. It smells slightly of paint. And that's the color there. I like that color. Okay, the next thing in here is from Just Ximena. And this is the JX Blend Pro. It's looks like an eye set. The 5-piece brush set. And they're small, so it looks like definitely it's for the eyes. I am so excited. I will give more details somewhere here, but I believe they are a Latin-owned brand, female-fronted, so Ximena, lovely. The next thing I have here is from, ooh, wait a minute, I hope to pronounce this right. Is this Reina Rebelde? Yes! Interesting, just in time for Halloween, and we have all these Latin-fronted companies. Rare Beauty with Selena Gomez. I mean, need I say more? So this is the lovely packaging. I'm so excited. So this is the packaging it comes in. So Reina Rebelde, what is this? This is the On Your Face highlighter stick in Soho. Ooh, I am so excited. And this is the little protective top, the covering. I'm definitely going to wear this. I love highlighter. In a stick, most especially. Let's see how much product is in here. I always do this out of curiosity because you wonder. Okay, that's about as much. So you figure it's about this much, and then the rest is just okay. But with a stick highlighter, you don't go too crazy with it, but oh wow, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I get no sense. That's good. I'm already loving this. Now, I did not pick any of these products. These were picked by Ipsy. The next thing I have here is from NARS. Okay, my other favorite brand. And this is the Total Seduction eyeshadow stick in Enigmatic. I'm already like, let's see. Put the packaging here. This is the stick. Okay. And let's just see. Is that the color I think it is? It's like a metal gray black. What color is that? I don't even want to spin this up too much, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it here so it goes on so creamy. It looks like it could be a brown as well as a black. It looks really interesting. And again, no scent. Feels so creamy. And it blends. See that? It will blend well. I'm already like in love with with the theme so far. And finally, what is this? This is something called coffee. Show that up here. Now, what is coffee? I'm loving that this matches. The coffee is Coffee Beauty, and it's Lassie Lips Staining Long Lasting Moisturizing Lip Oil in Fig. Lip oil. Just in time for what? The change of the weather. And I've been going through lip balms like you won't believe. Here it is. Because it's a lip oil, I feel the urge to shake it. And there it is. Oh, it's a pretty color. Almost looks like a brush, not so much a sponge. But it is. Let me see. Oh. This is a lip oil? It has color. Oh, that goes a long way. It does taste a little like a lip stain. I would be very careful with that. And I think that is it. I'm loving this color, but it's a lip oil. So awesome. So I have to say that I am deeply, deeply appreciative and falling in love with this particular box. These are basically all Latin or Latina owned fronted companies. NARS, Rare Beauty, Reina Rebelde, and I wouldn't be surprised if Kofi's up there too. I am beyond thrilled. These are gorgeous, and gotta appreciate the makeup tools as well as the look. I mean, you can basically pull a look together with this, even using the highlighter as a bit for the eyeline, the eyeshadow. Why not? And there's even a bit of color on this. Did you see that? Already in love with this. The only thing that could have completed this is a concealer. But, you know, I'll have to put a concealer there. Don't worry, my face is clean. It just has zero makeup on. This is on a clean face. There's no makeup on this. So you see all the redness around my nose. So I would definitely need a bit of a concealer. So that's the only thing that's really missing. But this has got a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of the Rare Beauty on this, just for fun. Put this sparingly because it seems like you don't really need a lot to get the full effect. And I'm assuming this is buildable. Look at that. I didn't need that much. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. I'm just putting a little bit of color over the nose. Wow, that is gorgeous. I don't know what happened, but this box, I was delighted. Even though there wasn't a concealer, which would have helped, this look is not that bad. So I was just going with my other one of my concealers and put it around my nose to get rid of the redness. But other than that, I mean, I look dewy, I look fresh. The only thing that stands out is this liquid lip, and this is like a lip oil. This is amazing. It feels light. It doesn't feel chalky or heavy. It doesn't feel sticky. Wow, this is really, really nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you get the same selection? I let Ipsy pick this time. I did not pick any of these products, so I just was delighted to see that they really came through with the Latina owned brands, which is amazing. And I'm delighted. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know what you got in your box also in the comments below. And if you're looking forward to next month's box, which would be the icon box if you have the subscription, let me know again in the comments below. Are you an Ipster? I'm so excited with this look. I am like rambling at this point. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on my latest Ipsy unboxing. Again, this is not sponsored by Ipsy. This is not an ad. I am a longtime subscriber on and off with Ipsy, and I'm really delighted with this month's picks. I mean, I am over the moon, above and beyond. How about you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on my next video adventure. Take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. Bye.